Our clients need a better way to find new tech talent. GA is a global leader in finding and training aspiring tech professionals. LHH is a global leader in recruitment solutions. Together, we help clients custom build their next generation of tech talent.
I managed to fight in the New York State Golden Gloves, actually a Golden Glove winner.
I was a glorious track worker for the MTA here in New York City.
What GA brings, the instructor network and a lot of that domain knowledge, seeing thousands of people learn and knowing where the hangups are, let us bring to the table our enterprise experience, and then you bring to the table all the richness of your specific domain knowledge, and let's come up with a solution to solve your specific problems.
So we're going in-house to companies and we're figuring out what are the skills needed to build these strong teams. And then we're also thinking through, okay, what are your hiring needs? And specifically, what's the skills gap?
Working with General Assembly has been amazing. They really do a lot to ensure that they're meeting us at our level and that our employees are getting the best experience.